The process of product design continues to evolve, and so too should your CAD software. The latest version of Creo is the most innovative and powerful 3D CAD software on the market today. Creo 7 features breakthrough capabilities in generative design, full fidelity, and real-time simulation and additive manufacturing, in addition to numerous productivity enhancements such as multibody design. Generative design is changing the product development process, allowing you to innovate faster and explore more ideas with less risk. Introducing the new AI-driven Generative Design Extensions available in Creo 7. Now, you can quickly develop higher quality products which perform better in the real world based on your engineering requirements and constraints. The Generative Topology Optimization Extension enables you to quickly create innovative products using your preferred material and manufacturing method. And the cloud-based Generative Design Extension simultaneously develops numerous high-quality solutions based on a variety of materials and manufacturing processes. Both extensions will enhance your team's productivity and enable greater innovation. Deliver your best designs in less time with Creo Generative Design. PTC and Ansys introduced groundbreaking real-time simulation capabilities with Creo Simulation Live. With Creo 7, this partnership is continuing to revolutionize simulation-driven design with two new offerings. First, Creo Simulation Live Plus brings real-time fluid flow simulation to every designer and engineer, along with thermal, structural, and modal analysis. Next, this partnership brings you Creo Ansys Simulation, the fastest, high-fidelity simulation tool designed specifically for engineers to analyze the performance of your designs before committing to real-world production. Creo Ansys Simulation leverages Ansys' best-in-class capabilities for thermal, structural, and modal analyses. It also allows Creo Simulation Live users to reuse their loads and constraints, making design refinement and validation a seamless process. To further enhance our powerful generative design, additive manufacturing, and simulation capabilities, Creo 7 introduces Multibody Design. This new workflow allows users to separately manage and design geometry within a single part, and multi-body workflows will empower more efficient and flexible part design for a wide variety of everyday modeling tasks. In the area of additive manufacturing, Creo 7 expands support for lattices, enabling the generation of stochastic lattices using triangular structures. We've also introduced support for Swiss-type machines in Creo's computer-aided manufacturing solution. As with every release, Creo 7 is full of core enhancements that will allow every user to design better products faster. From an enhanced draft feature to sketcher enhancements, improvements to 2D mirror, and updated MBD standards, these new features will make you more productive than ever before. Product design is changing, so should your CAD software. Creo 7, the future of how you design.